Ladies and gentlemen, I want us to try this one as well, uh, which means that which means that we are going to try to answer this question. So so same applies to this question. We start by focusing on the basis. How can we simplify these things? You can do it with a pencil elsewhere and bring the completed version of it. So O4 will be broken down to 2 multiplied by 2 close, and then it's x plus 1, and then O9 will be 3 multiplied by 3, and the index is x, divided by O6 will be O2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2x minus 1. So I encourage people to put brackets when the power has two terms, or when the index has 2 terms. So this is just the factor step, but when you're writing test, you don't write these things. I am writing the factors step. This is just for helping people to just separate them. So now let's continue. So it's time to allocate the powers to the individual. So I like using this method because in as much as it's gonna take long, but it's surely gonna give you the correct answer. X plus 1 like this, and then multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 1, and then we say 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power x, and then it's all over 2 to the power 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 2x minus 1. So now okay, on the denominator, okay, what do? We put brackets here as well. We put brackets here. So the idea is that remember that this rule, it's when they say a b to the power m is the same as saying a to the power m and b to the power m. Yeah, so this is actually what happened. So now so there is this one. Let's continue. So now let's try to combine to simplify on top. So because these spaces are the same, we just need to add the indices. So with addition there, it's not a problem, so we can remove the brackets just automatically. We say x plus 1 like this, plus x plus 1 for the second thing, and then we come here and say 3 to the power x plus x. So what is this idea is that when the bases are the same, you just add the indices. 2 to the power 2x, this one we keep them inside brackets. I mean to say 3 to the power 2x minus 1 like this. So so it means now that what are we gonna say here? Let's say a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y. This is a rule. So this is the same as a to the power x plus y. Is an index rule. That when the bases are the same, you can just add the indices. So this is what we just did here. Is the rule of indices. So you can use whichever letter to just display this rule. So you can even design your own letters, and then so long as like they are consistent with the law of indices. So now what can we say? Now we say 2 to the power what? 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. And then now what can we say? The 3 now is 3 to the power 2x divided by what? Divided by 2 to the power 2x minus 1 brackets, and then it's 3 to the power 2x minus 1 as well brackets. So like my idea is that we should take the denominator and bring it to to be numerator, like to the numerator side. So like we remove the denominators by writing the negative power. This is how we do it. 2 to the power 2x plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 2 to the power negative brackets 2x minus 1, like this, and then multiplied by 3 to the power negative 2x minus 1. So actually, if you want to move something from a denominator to be a numerator, you just have to say negative the power. So now let's collect like tens. So 2 is next to 2, and then 3 is next to 3, and then we proceed with our operations. So now we will have 2 to the power 2x plus 2, and then we'll bring next to it the 2 to the power negative 2x minus 1, like this, and then you say 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power negative 2x minus 1, like that. So now when it's like this, you've collected the like terms, and when the bases are the same, you just add the indices. So you repeat this law again. So when the bases are the same, you just add the indices. So it's like 2 to the power 2x plus 2. I want to do it step by step so that people don't get confused. Plus brackets, you are adding this negative term, negative 2x minus 1, like this, so that you see properly that you are adding this other term, but adding a negative thing. I don't want us to write like level plus minus, so just write it properly. So it's 2 to the power 2x minus and then we are supposed to, this positive changes to negative. I hope you can see how, so that like some of you won't act confused there. So the plus, the negative, and then the negative wins. So now it's time to remove the brackets. So what you should watch out for here is when the sign changes inside the brackets. It's where people lose all the marks. So like here it's plus 2, and then it's minus 2, and it's plus 1 because of the negative before brackets. And then we're done with this one. So it's going to be 2x minus 2x plus 1 again, and then now you just collect like terms, and 2x minus 2x, and then it's going to be 2 to the power 3 because the x terms they eliminate themselves there on the index. They just eliminate themselves, and then it's gonna be 3 to the power 1. So it's going to be 2 to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 3 is what? Is 24. And then 2 times 2 times 2, because you're not supposed to use a calculator here, so you have to clearly show the marker how you did it, not to do miracle workings. So 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So yeah, so that's it. So I kindly advise people to do it step by step.